Hello, my name is Mohan. I am the DGM for Global Developers, and we have with us our architect, Mr. Arvind Raj, and our chairman and MD along with us in this particular session. And he comes with a vast experience. He's basically a CA by profession, and he comes with a vast experience of more than 25 years into real estate. Finished around 4 projects, and this is our biggest mega project, spanning of 50 acres in the villa development. We have phase 1, phase 2 planned for phase 3, phase 4, and phase 5 and 6. So this is the mega project. We have phase 1 and phase 2 which is currently running now. About the project as per se as such, okay, phase 1 is a new theme which we have launched in Bangalore, saying front elevation and other things we keep it standard, and whatever is a back we give maximum customizations possible to the customer. That is one of the unique concept which we have got in the market. The phase 2, what we have done is, with a smaller floor plan, a smaller floor area, we give you the maximum built up of 2525. So that is the uniqueness of phase 2. So somebody wants a customization, can look in for a phase 1. Somebody wants a maximum built up at a little lesser cost, can look in for phase 2. This is
So,
how we have positioned our product.
I was saying, Mohan, how about if Sir can introduce himself and talk a little bit about that, and maybe other your team members, they can also talk a bit about themselves and the brand.
Yeah.
That would
So, what would you like next? You want Mr. Arvind, our main architect, to take over?
yes. I want Arvind to introduce himself to the audience, and then uh, like to talk about that.
Mr. Arvind, I think he is.
All right. Well, let's do one thing.
Hmm.
In between, what we can do is that we can the audience your topic, and then you can explain through that. I think that will be
Yeah,
something which will be really great.
we can take it forward from there. Once he joins, then we will be able to take it forward from there.
Sure, no problem. So currently, what is the status of your project? At what stage this project is? Can you tell the audience about the locality where it is, and
See,
is a USP and all that?
See, the advantage is it's in the right in the town of Attibele, which is the most upcoming location in Bangalore as of today. Well laid with connectivity in terms of roads, and your metro is also there coming up, and we have an STRR which is adjacent to the project, which is around say 800 meters plus. So it is completely laid around, and it's like a central location to your electronic city, to your Sajapur belt, as well as to your Whitefield belt.
Urging is there, huh? Yes.
Yeah. So this is the
Disturbance is there.
advantage of the location which is upcoming. Now, if you see, there are a lot of commercials which is overnight sprung. I mean, just in last 2 to 3 months, a lot of commercial activities which is sprung up to take care, to nurture to this kind of upcoming location, which is right in the heart of Attibele town. So we are from the town. We are hardly less than a kilometer. Our main project is. So that is the highlight of the location, well connected by roads already, a 4-lane road and a metro, as well as the STRR road. So we have vast spread of connectivity options already existing in the vicinity of the project. So a project spans for 50 acres. We have started with phase 1 as well as phase 2, and further going on it will be up till phase 3, 4 and 5. So we are geared up to that level. It's a 50-acre mega project within the BMRD limits, and it's a BMRD approved project. Okay, we have two different concepts of phase 1 and phase 2. Like what I said, phase 1 is a customizable product, a villa, which I feel most of the people wouldn't allow to that level what we accommodate. Okay, most of the villas, what you find, even a villa which is costing you around 6-7 crores also, customizations to that a greater extent is not allowed. So it is like fit yourself, whatever is the villa design, it's already been made, you fit yourself. In our case, the front elevation remains the same. Okay, and we are 100% Vastu compliance, including compliance designs we have developed already. We give you, including the doors and the windows as per Vastu, the number of doors
So
and the
we can
windows
do
as
one
well
thing.
as the
I think I was thinking in interest of the entire audience, we can show your project to the audience,
Yeah,
and I'm sure that that would be a greater experience for them to see the real apartment,
exactly,
view, and all of that, right? So
exactly.
I will share from my side so that
Okay.
so this is the project video, right?
Yes. This would be the entrance, and it has a massive entrance. Left side we have global developers, right side we have clearly named a project called Global Pearl, and there is an entry and exit gate. This is the highlight of the project. This is a rain curtain cum fountain which is right present in the entrance of the project. This is one of the main highlights where you can spend your time, evening time, with your family and things like that. This is a 150 seater which can accommodate this particular area, and it's in the evenings it will be a pleasant weather. This is already present in the project. Okay, this is the swimming pool. This is the sorry, this is a fountain area, and this is how the entrance would be when you enter the villa as of today. This is shot at location pictures. So this is how your entrance would be when you enter today. And these villas are built on a 2000 square feet land area with a 3000 square feet of super built up area. And customizable, we can go up to 3600 square feet also, super built up area. So this would be the entrance, the living area, and then we come across a dining area of 13 by 14 and a half square feet, and this would be the entrance. This is a living room.
the very spacious.
It is very, very spacious, very big, and very nice. If somebody visits this location, they would just fall in love with this particular villa. The kind of design element what we have used, the kind of space optimizations which we have put in, and the basically it caters to almost all the requirements of a villa buyer in the market, considering the kind of the bedroom sizes he would look in for, the living areas, the kitchen sizes, the washroom sizes, everything is accommodated to the villa buyer. So this would be the basically a kids room, and this is how it looks from the top location.
Wow.
This
Okay.
glass what we give is again a toughened glass from Saint Gobain.
Okay.
If you are talking about, these are the barbecue areas which we have in the clubhouse. Clubhouse is a massive 50,000 square feet plus, which we talk about. There is a creek running inside the project, which gives the beauty to this project, and we have a meditation deck on the other side. This is again a kids play area.
Great. I think let the audience enjoy the entire video. Let them see through the entire idea of the project. Then
Yeah.
they move on to the real apartment. Very nice.
So
Very
this
nice.
is already ready, the basketball and the tennis court at the project.
People
And
can
this,
come by the property and start enjoying this amenity.
pardon?
People can start using these amenities as soon as they start building.
Yeah, yeah. You can use the amenities, and all the pitch and the this one what is made is to the international standards. So people can get the feel that you're not just having a amenity per se. It is actually the usable amenity with other quality flooring, which is up to the international standards. So this is the creek area, which the water passes through inside the project, and we have a wooden bridge where you cross across to the meditation hub and a peaceful virtual sitting area. And this would be the jogging track across the clubhouse, as well as outside as well as inside. The amphitheater, which is present in the project, This is basically will house around 300 people plus. This is a water screen area, a skating rink. There is a lot of amenities. We can say very clearly it is 50 plus amenities present within the community itself. Few are already up and running, few are yet to come in. The maximum time limit for all the amenities to be functional is approximately a year plus. So we are coming up with a beautiful 50,000 square feet plus clubhouse, which houses your 5 guest rooms, 5-star rated guest rooms, and we have everything right from a jacuzzi to a spa to entertainment theaters inside. We have 2 hotels to name about. One is on the roof floor, one is on the second floor. So we have lot of things to offer and make the clubhouse more lively. Rather than just naming it as a clubhouse, we are making it more lively so that people frequently visit the clubhouse. This is a street view of the in the villa community. This is how exactly it looks in the night time. The advantage of this place is being in that location. Yeah, being in the location after 5:36, it becomes very pleasant. That is the advantage of the location.
Glad to see that. I mean, it's really wonderful the way the project is designed, and I've seen the architectural design personally. I
Hmm.
was in your office and I've seen through all the detail. I mean, it's really beautiful. I think one thing which I really appreciate that space you've used for Clubhouse and all the detailing you have done. I think you have a facility where people can have their guests the suites booked for them and they can come and stay in the clubhouse also.
Exactly. That is what I was talking of,
Correct.
was 5-star rated guest rooms at the clubhouse,
So we
which
have
also has a
a
jacuzzi, private jacuzzi inside. Yeah,
I'm
sorry.
sorry, I'm interrupting. No mean to stop you. Lovely, listening to you. Very soon we'll come back to you. So I'm getting some questions from audience.
Yeah,
So
please.
I have one attendee with us. I cannot see the name. I think it's from Ms. Noor Jahan. She has sent a question that is it in Atibele location? Yes. How far from TVS factory? Would you mind answering that question first?
See, it is right from the Attibele junction. It is around exactly 850 meters. Okay, and TVS factory, if you are talking about Hosso side, it should be around 12 to 14 kilometers, less than that.
All right. So I think, Ms. Begum, you have got your answer. It's about 850 meters from the main Ativili junction and about,
Yes, it's in the town itself. Our project is right in Attibele town. That's the USP of a project.
right. So I think that's one, question which we just got live while the presentation was on. And we will get more questions and I will
Of
keep
course,
asking.
of course, of course.
So you can always, connect with the global developers team. You can log into housing.com. You can see, the contact details. You can reach out to them for more queries and they will help you out, with all the further details. And if you have any more questions like us today, you can please, ask. The entire global developers team is there. So you can ask for all the questions and queries about pricing, about product dimensions, design, and everything that you have. So my next question is,
Huh.
I mean, if you currently what I feel that people have started buying their
You
own
can take
home
the chair
because
and sit.
Hmm.
customers are not spending too much money in rent. They say, better than paying a rental amount, I can pay my own EMI and have my own house because uh, in current state people are unable to move out. Offices have moved in house. There's so much of work from home is going on. Majority of population is now limited to home surroundings.
Hmm.
So how do you think which will make that lifestyle from morning work to everything easy for somebody? And what is, you feel that how will be the experience of a person to live?
See, presently, what is happening after this COVID kind of a pandemic which is hit us, almost all IT whom we cater to are working from home. And working from home has challenges. One thing is their houses are not geared up to these kind of work realignment things. Second thing is what is happening is most of the people have fitted themselves in an apartment, And in apartments, going in a lift, living in most of the confined spaces, your elderly parents will not be able to move around freely. Okay, lot of congestion. All these things have led them to move out to more open spaces, like exactly where we are right today, Attibele. That's the hotspot of Bangalore, which is forthcoming now. Okay, the next name of from HSR would obviously shift to Attibele itself. HSR layout would shift to Attibele itself in terms of location. And what we give is an independent villa. Okay, so it is completely all four sides. You get air, ventilation. You don't need to climb a lift. You need, and the amenities are spread across. So that gives the this one. So
So
and
again, I think I'm getting some great questions coming on the way.
okay, yeah.
So I have got a question. So I'm, to the audience, this is to you directly.
Hmm.
I will ensure that every single question is answered. We are here,
Perfect.
answer all the questions. So one more question has come, that how many total, villa units are there, and what is the cost of the smaller villa in phase two? So what is total number of units and cost of, the smaller villa in phase two? What is the cost?
In phase 2, we have 87 units, okay, and in phase 1, we have 234 units. And the cost of phase 2 starts with 1.18, the lowest size, 1.18 CR, negotiable. Negotiable. But the advantage here is the built up would be 2,525 square feet. It is G plus 2 standard what we give with the latest design.
G plus 2, 1.18, you said, right?
Starting price.
Starting price 1.18.
Yeah, the lowest unit.
And the dimension of that villa is how much?
2,525 super built up with ground plus 2 as a standard 3 BHK villa.
So I will just reiterate for you. So G plus 2 structure, 2,500 as
25.
said, and it's starting from 1.18. I think the way I see Bangalore market today, in location like nearing Attibele Junction, a property which is at 1.18 crores for a G plus 2 structure with 2,500 space of built up area. I think fantastic. And mainly the way the amenities are designed, the architecture is designed, the clubhouse is designed.
Yeah.
50,000 square feet of space only for recreation and entertainment. That's something really,
I
really
can proudly say one more thing is that if you compare to the square feet, we are the lowest in that area at 4,500 rupees offering a phase 2 product to you. It's 4,500 rupees priced per square feet, and phase 1 is priced at 5,500 rupees per square feet. So in terms of pricing, we are the lowest. In terms of specifications, we match across a 7 crore villa product. That is how we are placed ourselves. In terms of all the kind of specifications what we give, right from a teak door in phase 1, ale lock, and Asian Paints premium emulsion to a branded J&J tiles, you name the thing which is there, a marble flooring, a Saint Gobain glass. We never compromise on any of the specs what we give, what we offer in the villa. That is why the first time a customer enters or a buyer enters our project and sees our model house, he just goes over it and says, I want to buy this. This is how the vibes are in the project.
absolutely. Okay, one more question has come now. So let's talk about the property a little bit more in detail. So what is the total land area of the project? I mean, what is the total land?
See, total land area is spread across 50 acres. As of now, we are doing around a 20-acre project.
So out of 50 acres, 20 acres is currently under
Yeah,
development,
yeah.
and 30 is for future development.
Yes, yes.
And 20 acres total number of units will be?
Total number of units is 234 plus 87 units.
So 234 is already in different
Phase 1,
previous phases. Okay. And in phase two, you have 87 units.
87 units.
The remaining 30 acres of land will have next phase come.
Yeah, next 4, 5, and 6 phases would come in
How
those.
about, I think the audience would be interested to know, how about the session? When is that we are expected to hand over the keys? I know it's in ready to move in phase right now.
Yeah, see, we see phase 1 also we give customization. So it is not that we keep some units ready where they fit ourselves. That's not our concept in phase 1. Our
Okay.
concept when we launched, okay, in Bangalore is very clear that the elevations and other things, basic designs as per the Vastu would be given to a customer, and to a larger extent, customizations is available. for him to take it forward. So that was a theme which we launched the project. So what we do is we give the land according to the customer's budget and choice. Like somebody wants 1,500, somebody wants a 2,000 square feet, somebody wants a 2,400 square feet.
Hmm.
So we then design the villa according to the land area
Okay. Okay.
in the phase one. So that is the uniqueness of this project, which we are in the phase one. Phase
So are you
two,
saying that depending on customers' requirement, you will help them to design according?
yeah, the basic designs are already there as per Vastu. See, Vastu has certain things to be put in place. Okay,
Right.
that
Right.
we cater to, and again, the customer wants some kind of a bigger staircases or bigger washrooms or whatever things that we customize. This is how we.
Wonderful.
So the concept what we drive in the phase one is very clear. Is that the front elevation and the front look, leave it to us. Backside, whatever is there, we design as per Vastu, and over and above that, you want customizations, we can add on. So that is the beauty of the phase one product which we are offering. Phase two is something where a customer's budget is not to that extent of a phase one, but wants the maximum built up, which nobody, frankly speaking, yes, in the industry, most of the people wouldn't have achieved that kind of a floor plan what we offer in terms of a 2,500 plus square feet in a smaller parcel of a land area. So that is what it is. So, and this is also an independent villa itself. Okay, what we offer. The time frame what you asked me right is the time frame what we are telling is 10 plus 2 sorry it's 12 plus 2 months, that is an year, and the 2 months is what we can hand over the project, hand
I
over
think
the individual villa to them.
10 plus 2, I mean, the larger audience, I think, the kind of uh, feedback I've seen, the kind of trend I've seen in market, people are happy to wait for a year or so, if not too long from that. So I think it's a good opportunity, and I think I just want to reiterate to my entire audience that uh, in current situation, I've seen a lot of people. They talk to me that they want to discuss about their opportunities of buying their own home, and preferably if it is a independent, house or a villa, there is genuine interest in that side. So I think it makes a lot of sense for the audience to think those lines. Atibele is a very hot location right now because overall there are multiple developments happening in that area and well connected from East Bangalore and I think on other side South Bangalore, electronic city, the entire belt, Sajapur of course. I think it makes a lot of sense. I think it's a great, the property that you have offered to today. How about this festive season? Are we expecting any good discounts? Why don't you tell the customers if they come to your sites currently, meet with you, what are the exciting dates?
Yeah, what we have created an excitement is because there was bookings happening, we said we capped this particular offer to first 10 buyers who come in from last week onwards and put their check out. We say we are offering them a 10 lakh rupee worth of say ACs as well as the TVs as a gift from our end for the Diwali offer. So that is what we have rolled out. It is only for first 10 people who come and grab these offers. Okay, this is
I'm
what we have
happy
rolled
that
out.
you're declaring this, announcing this, in our, this particular live webinar today. So for the audience, this is, what we have for you today. So yes, I'm sure, and that does not make a thing that only because of that somebody will buy it, but it's a good
See,
festive feeling.
end of the day, what happens is that anybody would take buy this villa would obviously need TVs in their place, would
Exactly.
obviously need ACs. So what we are doing is instead of you buying, putting your money, we are only facilitating that particular thing to them. So that is how we are giving this
Helping,
offer, catering
design
to
the
them.
interior also pretty much.
Yeah,
Truly appreciate that. So I think Ruth had a question, so I think which has
yeah.
already been answered that what are the price ranges are and price per square feet. I think as you said currently 4,500 is the starting base price.
For phase two and 5,500 for phase one.
Yeah, of course. I mean that would be so. So phase two is what what I think Ruth is asking for. So for Ruth, the answer is that 4,500 rupees per square is due possession in next 1 year. A great
Yes,
deal. You have festive season offers also. I think definitely you should go out and meet with Mohan and his entire team. I'm sure you'll have much more detailed answers over here. Please,
exactly.
I'm loving the kind of questions we are receiving. So please keep posting your questions. We'll happy to answer that. So I think it's time to go back to the project. So what I've thought is that uh, we shall just have a look at our own, the real ready to move in, which is there currently. And I would want maybe audience see the live, uh, you know, uh, current status of the project which is there, and
Yeah.
how the villa has come up well. I
Hmm.
thought, let's just show that the audience. I think I'm sure they will enjoy that experience.
True, true.
All right, fine. So while we do this, we'll come back next, maybe in a couple of this time, and then we'll start again with our discussion, with Mohan.
Yeah.
So this is the entire, ready to move in villa. So Mohan, maybe I'm just, so this is an experience where it is more of a real live tour experience where audience, you can just, look at the property. I'll go through each room and balconies and master bedrooms, and we'll stop there. We'll talk about the dimension and area inside. This is the main entrance, and rest you can take over Mohan, and I'll just help, walk through the property.
Yes, yes.
So this is the real images as currently as on date. I mean, as recent as I think less
This
than.
is the entrance, and what we give you is a solid teak door, and this is the living area, where once you enter, this would be the main living area, and this I think we need to show the main highlight of these things is, if you can a little go back, I can.
Want me to go back?
Yeah, back.
Yeah, we'll create an experience here.
Okay. See, this is the solid teak door. Yeah. See, this is the area which we give in the beginning. Starting this one, you have almost like a 2 car park areas. Yeah. Now you can enter this. The advantage of this particular project is the 50 feet cemented roads. What you get, and it's a VDF finish. We have, yeah. This is the entrance of the villa. It's a teak door with a AL lock. AL lock has biometric as well as your PIN and your card access. So all the three are available at the
So
entrance.
this is what you're
Yeah,
talking
this is
about.
the lock. Yes, exactly. This is the lock what we are talking about. This
Wonderful.
is one of the highlights where you don't have to use your key every time and things like that. Use your finger and a biometric to unlock the door. This is a pure solid teak door what we give here. And the entrance area, you can accommodate 2 cars easily back to back. And in this area, you have the living, and if you go a little further, you have the dining. This is for your TV unit, which is again a part of interior architecture, and this is your kitchen.
Okay.
Yeah, you have a two-seater as well as a sink laid out for your basic this one, and this area I think, yeah, this is the area where you get a sink also, as well as two-seater towards immediate this one, and this exactly will be given to you other than the interior works. This whole this one kitchen area, cabinets will not be there. Cabinets is part of interior. Otherwise, we give you the granite slab and things on the kitchen. We have
So how
kitchen
big is the
separate
kitchen?
area. Pardon?
What is the dimension of the kitchen? How big is
Yeah,
it?
kitchen is around 1 second. I'll give you the latest.
Because I think customers would be really interested. In villas, a kitchen is a very important part of the home, right? People sit together, they cook. So I think people would want to know the dimension, how big it is.
Yeah, kitchen will be around 10.2 into 11.6.
That's a pretty
And
fair
apart
big.
from that, we have a utility at 5.6 into 11.6.
Wow, that's very, very big.
It's huge. Once somebody enters and sees it, they would definitely know the kind of space what has been offered inside the villa. It's basically an architectural marvel, what we can tell proudly about.
Yeah, so let's just go and check out that utility area.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have sinks and everything to clean up and all. Okay, there is enough space.
Yes.
Really brilliant. Storage area over here. It's really, really nice.
Yeah, there's a storage area, and as well as other things which you can fit in, like your appliances, your refrigerators, your microwaves, and things like that, which you can fit in. See, every aspect and every need of a villa owner has been catered to already in this particular project. And we give you the best sink, a carousel sink. What we give, it's non this one strain sink. The
Then when you come
what
out
I'm
of
trying
the
to put
living
forth
area,
is, pardon?
this is where you take a staircase.
Yeah, this is where you take a staircase to your first floor. Right side of it, if you move around, there is a room.
Yes.
Can
Okay.
be used as a guest room or can be used as a this one. And this room dimension would be 14.9 by 12.
Wow, it's very spacious. Very
It's
spacious.
everything is spacious in this place. If you look at it, is the most spacious villa ever been constructed. What we can proudly say about. So
You
I
said the
would
bedroom is
request and
14 by
people, yeah, pardon. It is 14.9 by 12.
almost 15 by 12. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Great. Great.
So I would always request people to come have a look at our site, look at the villa, and then check around our specifications and compare our pricing in the market with the location and then decide. Most of the people, almost I say, almost all will decide because of these factors. So we have a
Well,
lot of advantages in terms of the design and the materials. Materials,
even
there's
the toilets are, I
absolutely no
mean,
compromise.
pretty, natural light is there in the washrooms. It's very clean and good lit.
Everywhere.
Natural light is there.
We
Yeah.
have taken care of natural light and air across the villa. It has been catered to.
Beautiful.
Including the staircase also has a natural light.
Yes, I can see that, because the corridors are well lit throughout the
Yes,
window shades.
yes. We have catered to that we need more of air and light into the villa. That is how the designs have been also developed.
So this is where you go up now from the staircase and you go to
Exactly.
the first
You
floor.
go up and you go on to the
So this is the upper living room area, the first
upper
floor
living
living room.
room area.
Wonderful, very beautiful. True.
That is also 14.2 by 14.3.
Oh, you have a deck in the first floor over here.
Yes, yes, yes.
Beautiful deck, very nice. I really like the windows. It's a very traditional wood windows with the
Yeah.
crisscross design.
Yeah. The deck is also it's 13.9 by 10. It is not small. It is huge.
It's pretty big. It's almost like of a bedroom size.
Exactly. Exactly.
Okay, let's see the living room.
Yeah. After living room, you get
So for the audience, if you have any questions, keep
um,
posting it.
this one.
We'll just go through the
You get
entire
a
tour
master
and then
bedroom.
we'll come back and take your questions again. Yeah, Mohan, please go on. Sorry, I just wanted to tell the audience that
Yeah.
currently I cannot see the
So we have a
questions.
master bedroom. Yeah, we have a master bedroom. If you go a little further,
Yeah, sure. I will.
and we have one more room on the first floor. This will be a living space. You need to, yeah,
You want me to go to the master bedroom, right?
yeah, master bedroom. And the master bedroom area, if you look at, is 19.1 by 11.5. And we have a
Is
walk-in
this the one?
wardrobe. We have a walk-in wardrobe of 9.5 into 5.6 and a washroom attached. So the area of the master bedroom is like one end of the plot area to the other end. That is massive. Master bedroom is what we offer with a walk-in wardrobe and a washroom attached. And this is on the first floor.
Okay.
Yeah, this right side. You need to go right, right. Yes. Yeah, inside the door. And we have a puja room on the left side. See, these places is where I call it as customizations, where a customer instead of having a partition on the left side can bring it out till the and occupy the puja room and make it bigger. He can make it smaller. So all these customization options are readily available. And this is the washroom with false ceiling and a separate bathing area.
Are you providing this glass separated, divided?
Yes, yes, yes,
Ah,
yes.
beautiful. So
What
again,
you see is what you get.
one is really very
Other than the interiors like your beds and your false ceilings and your cupboards and things like that, balance is all part of the structure. These comes under interiors. these cupboards and your
Very
false ceilings,
spacious.
your furnitures, all these comes under interiors. Puja room is to the right side, customizable as of this one, and this is a decent puja room what we have given. This is in the first floor. As per Vastu, it has been positioned.
Wonderful. I think, this was a great presentation. I think the way it looks, nothing like looking at a real property, what it looks like and what you exactly going to buy. And I'm so impressed that, the design, the finishing is 99% matching with the graphics that you have represented, which is so difficult to create. That's
Exactly.
really, really nice. Amazing.
It is exactly matched to the rendered image what we had created years back.
Great. So
Including
I
the paint
think,
and the color combination also is maintained. Sorry. Yeah.
all right. So I think, all the questions are being answered. I think the audience
I
have seen the entire
need to put across two, three, at least two major highlights is the roads. What we have done is interior roads are 40 feet. That is the USP. The interior roads are 40 feet and it is cemented roads, okay, long lasting, and we have given them a VDF finish which is much more smoother than all the cement roads what you find in the Bangalore area. So that is one of the things. And we are the, I can say, we are the only people who have built a corridor system in place to take care of all your things like your water, your sewage, your water, electricity, everything. Okay, we have used a concrete structure with steel enforced in that, which is like your you can put any trees or whatever you can do. It doesn't destroy like other builders or things like that. They just dig and put the pipes inside. Okay, that is a max which we do in the terms of these facilities. What they say, underground facilities. Okay, real in terms of underground means you need to have this corridor system which is completely built by cement and steel structure. If you happen to visit, you will come to know that this is the unique thing which is in Bangalore city, which none of the villa builders, including a 10 CR plus villa, also wouldn't dare to do these kind of things in the project, because this is huge cost, time consuming, and an excellent engineering is required in terms of slope calculations and other things for the water or the this one to flow in that particular thing. What does it mean to a customer or a buyer? First thing is it's a fail proof system which lasts for years together, say a 70 to or a 80-year plus. It doesn't attract your trees and roots and things like that. And the fourth point is new additions, like you get an internet, you get a gale gas or whatever. You don't have to dig the roads or dig the this one. You just have to pass through the same corridor system. That is the advantage of having this corridor system built into the project in phase one.
okay,
I think the
wonderful,
network,
wonderful.
yeah.
Net problem.
So,
Net problem.
Somebody should visit and see the kind of thing what we are used across the project in phase one. This is what we call that as a corridor system. First time in Bangalore. This is used in most of the developed countries across the world. This particular system.
again, wonderful, wonderful. Fine. So I think, now as we are reaching to the end of this session today, so we just have 5 more minutes left. So one last question I see is that what is the larger dimension? One we talked about is, 2,500 square feet, and that it cost about, 1.8, 1.18 crores. I'm saying what about any larger dimension, any larger villa or something?
See, we in a 2,000 square feet of land area, we can go up to 3,600 square feet of super built up area. And we do also, if somebody buys a bigger than that land area, we can customize. We can go up to 4,000 or 4,500 square feet of built up also. It depends on the customer's choice. Like he wants a bigger 4 BHK villa or a 5 BHK, we can do that. We are open to those kind of customizations options. So it is not that we are fixed with only two options in the market. We have ranging from a 2,500 square feet, 3,000 built up, 3,600. We can go up to 4,500 or maybe 5,000, depends on the customer's requirement. We can tune ourselves to that particular. That's the advantage of phase one. That is what I was saying.
Great,
That's the advantage of phase one.
great. Fine. So, I mean, I would just take one last concluding note that, what should be the process? Can you tell the process how people can reach out to you and what should they do in terms of if they're interested to meet and connect with you?
See, they can reach us through our website. We have a call this one also, or directly come to us. Just put global developers or Golden Pearl in your Google. It shows you direct location, so you can reach us. We are there between 10 to 7 on all the days. Okay, on all 365 days, we are there. So we can reach us. We have a full-fledged sales office at the site location itself. So we have sales managers and sales this one to take care of, take them around, show them the things, and then sit across, discuss with them their kind of budget, what they are, what kind of this one would be there, and then take it forward from there onwards. We'll answer all their queries regarding the budget, regarding the quality, regarding the design, the location, whatever apprehensions customer might come across. We address to all that, and once they are satisfied, then they can go ahead and book a villa with us.
Um,
What does a villa bring us? What does Golden Pearl brings us is, it brings us the appreciation, high appreciation quotient in that particular location. It is within the town of Atibele, which is surrounded by three major IT hubs: Electronic City, your Sajapur Road, as well as your Whitefield and Marthalli also, because most of the customers are from Marthalli location for the information. So it caters to that particular thing. It has wide already established road networks and a metro, upcoming metro. Okay, so these are the things which it caters to. So if people do visit us and see the location and see the development at the site, then they would obviously take a positive decision.
So I think I'll just summarize that it's a villa project that we have come up with, to discuss with you all. The villa starts as low as 2,500, goes up to 3,600 of bit up size, and it starts at 1.1, it goes to 20. Uh, the plan 20 is currently under development. Phase 1 is ready to move in. Phase 2 is up for positioning next 1 year. It's a very high-end design. Teak wood, the smart locks. We have shown the live video of the project in real and both, graphic presentation. It has a 50,000 plus, square foot of area for a recreation and entertainment of, this entire thing. So, okay, so I have one more question. So, Ruth, thank you so much for being in touch with us for the entire discussion. So, I have a question, for the developer team. Ruth, in terms of US dollars, how much the villa would cost? I am from US, and I'll be visiting after the pandemic ends. So, you have someone genuinely asking questions. So, how much would it cost in terms of US dollars? So, it's the calculation.
I can tell that. I can tell that. Give me a minute. I
Yeah,
can
sure.
tell you the.
So Ruth, you can definitely log into our space at housing.com and you can find for global developers Pearl project, and it is listed there. All videos, graphics, and images that we have shown today, it is available in our portal, in our platform. You can visit there. You can leave your drop your inquiry there, and definitely we'll help you to connect with the sales team, and they will be helping you. Thank you so much for staying connected. It was wonderful.
It'll be around $1.57 thousand dollars,
1.57 thousand.
approximately. Yeah,
Ruth,
one
you
fifty
have got
seven,
yeah. Ruth, you have got the answer.
$157,000 approximate.
Yeah. Can you just repeat once more, please?
157, 1.57, 1.57 would be exact dollars. $1,57,727.
Great. So Ruth, you have heard that. So 157,000, dollars, in and around plus minus a little bit. So that's the answer. If you have any more questions, you can feel free to ask. We are here for maybe a couple of more minutes. As I was saying, reiterating. So that's the location, very strategically located, which is connecting well with South and East Bangalore, also with the central part of Bangalore. It has all the major amenities, but in a very very different manner. There's a huge space apart, villas in phase 1 and 87 in phase 2. There's a future development of 30 acres of land which will happen. So I think overall it's a very, go-to see for a property, and the kind of architectural designs are being done. The kind of, there are a lot many things which we were unable to show today. For example, the badminton court, the tennis areas, the in-house, recreation areas. Those are just fantastic. There are accommodations available for outside guests who's coming in, they can accommodate in a, in the clubhouse area. So a lot of insight has been provided today. I think that's all from my side. I would really want to thank the global developers team. Thank you so much, sir, and all of you to be a part of our discussion today. I'm sure customers like Rohit and Nurjan, a lot of them have got a lot of insight. They will definitely connect soon. This is me, Kaushik Chaudhary here, signing off on behalf of housing.com and our guests, global developers today. Have a good day to all of you, and be safe, stay safe with your family. Looking up to see you soon sometime. So much. Have a good
Thanks a lot.